as well. Okay, so now you go to B, right? Okay, so B actually don't need shoelace method whatsoever. B is just it's just you can see that the answer, right? The diagram forms a very nice right angle triangle. It forms a very nice right angle triangle. Okay, just try looking at the two lines because both are actually y-intercepts. Intersect the y-axis, right? So you can see that the normal and tangent intersect the y-axis, right? Both will be y-intercept. Okay. If you were to just look at the curve, right? For example, both are y-intercepts. Okay, this is the y-intercept. This one is another y-intercept. So give it a try. Your A is wrong. Your B is wrong. Your A answer is there. Negative kx is the tangent. This one is the normal. Why is it minus 1? Part A, second part. Is it? Minus 1. Oh, yeah. Eh? Yeah, plus 1. You're right. Typo here. Correct what? No mistake. Because plus k squared come over is minus k squared. You can see this is the gradient of the tangent, right? The negative reciprocal will be 1 over k.
But the gradient is negative k.
Yeah, so the gradient is negative k, right? That's why the gradient of the normal is 1 over k. Negative k times 1 over k, it gives you negative 1. Correct or not? The gradient of tangent and the gradient of normal, because they are perpendicular, the product is negative 1. 对吗? Correct or not? You learn this in GH2. You learn this in GH2. Yeah?
Sorry.
Don't need shoelace method. Actually, don't need shoelace method. I just show you. Okay, you see. The y, because both are, okay, the scenario here is that both are y-intercepts. Right now. So you go to the equation, right? Go to the equation, look for the y-intercept. Okay? Go to the equation, look for the y-intercept. Okay, so what do I mean? Okay, you see this is your tangent, right? You sub x equals to 0. You will know that y is equals to 0, right? This is point A. Now you go to the normal, you sub x equals to 0. You're going to get y to be minus 1 minus k squared, right? Now presumably you roughly know where it's going to be. This is A, this is B. Correct? So even if you don't need the curve, you just need to have 2 points. Now because they are both y-intercept, they form for you a horizontal line, a beautiful horizontal line, right? And with the other next point here, the point here I believe is it negative k and negative k square, right? So just look at this beautiful triangle over here. It's possible to do it without shoelace method. You try with shoelace method. With all these disgusting numbers, you tell me whether you can do or not.
Because it's a lot of zeros, so
Correct, there's a lot of zero. So, alright, I'm Google wrong. But I'm not using it. Okay, let me show you.
Sorry, Mr. Tan. The 1B answer can expand it out. Because I think
Can expand.
just k cube over
Can.
2 then k over 2
Yes, can go to. So you can use shoelace because of, okay lah, fair. In this case, yes, can lah. But what if this is not 0, 0? Then no, I should have changed this question make this not 0, 0. My point is you don't need shoelace method. My point is you don't need show this method, okay? Because both A and B, point B, they are just on the the x-axis, okay? You don't need show this method. Because if you see this triangle, this is the height. This is the baseline, okay? If you prefer show this method, I guess in this case it will work well as well. Please skip question 2. Skip question 2. Question 2, please skip. There's a typo in the question. There's a mistake in the question. Huh? No, I say got mistake. But the mistake is in the solution. So I need to work out the answer again. Okay, so I show you what's the mistake. This is P, this is Q, right? Right, 1/4, right? This 1/4 x cube, but the solution here, I was just reading it just now. Then they put, it should be 1/4 Q cube, they put Q cube. And all this affects the rest of the answer, which I will do. 3. The question itself isn't wrong, but I need to figure out the rest. Can't you read? Question 3. Question 3 is hard. Yeah. What do you mean? Okay, you see carefully, the tangent to the curve at point K intersect at y-axis at point A. So this is with this. The normal to the curve at K intersects the y-axis at point B respectively. So that means the tangent. Come again? Oh! Yeah, that means I choose the wrong one. Sorry. No, then it's okay. No, but the points are the same. Just that I draw wrongly. This is point B. This is point A. Then where is point K? Here. So I'm looking at this one. Okay. Okay, good. Means that you are paying close attention. So you see, this is the tangent, right? This is the normal, right? So for a tangent, you sub x to be 0 to find the y-intercept. In this case, it's 0, 0. You sub x equals to 0 to find the x-intercept. Then you found this one. So these two, right, will give you the length of the base of the triangle. This x-coordinate of this point will give you the height of this triangle. That's why I just take x-coordinate times the. I'll pause at this page for a while. Remember to skip question 2, please go to question 3. Remember to skip question 2, please go to question 3. Is there a square inside? I think got no square. The square is here, right? The square is here. Okay. Your K look like H. 2C. 2 part 1. I haven't figured out the real answer yet because there's a mistake. I can do for you now if you want. But you can use the cubic formula. Okay, skip question 2 lah. Go to question 3 first. The question quantity not important. 3 is hard, 4 is hard. So this I have a lot of abstract. Main thing is to test whether you understand the formula structure, whether the coordinates are nice numbers or they are like unknown.
But then I very scared I no space. Like if I leave space for question 2, then later question 2 very fat.
Then you do question, just skip 2, just go to 3. You can do 3. No need to use distance formula. You see a diagram, right? Just see a distance between the 2 points. So you see, okay, you see. x-intercept, right? Okay, so if you look at the tangent, correct not? The tangent, right? The intercepts, x-intercept is here. For the normal, the x-intercept is here, right? Here and here. Now, this is the coordinate 0, 0. This is the coordinate. So I just look at this. I look at this, right? Because I'm finding this triangle here. Can you see? Half times base times height. Half times base times base times height. Oh, it's the height is a bit very easier now. Okay, to find distance, if they are both on not a horizontal or vertical line, then you use distance formula. But if they're on the same line, then no. Okay, sorry. So you take this, right? You sub. Okay, where's your equation of the tangent? Now you see, okay, the tangent to the curve intersect the y-axis at point A. Okay, so it's talking about this. Here is the tangent to the curve, the tangent to the curve intersects the y-axis at point A. This is the point I'm referring to. So what do I do? To find y-intercept, you sub x to be 0. Clear? So this is the y-intercept. 0, 0, 0, comma 0. Because I sub x to be 0, that is the y-intercept. Okay? The next one at B, same thing. You can see this is the equation of the normal. In the equation of the normal, I substitute x as 0. Again, this is the y-intercept. Clear? Now from here, this point and this point now, you can get you're looking at this triangle here. Okay? Can you find the base? It's the base, right? Then the height here, because this coordinate is just k comma negative k square, right? Then you see this negative k, can you see? Negative k square, this is the height. Okay, negative k, so this is negative k. That's why you see here k square plus 1. Okay, height times base, height times base. Yes. Where? Question 3. Question 3 is part 2. Part 2. There are tangents to both the curve and the gradient, right? Okay, so you differentiate. Actually, you don't need to write like separate. You can write the whole thing.
I ran separate, so easier to see.
Easier to see. Okay, so you see if there are tangents, right, to both the curve, this right. Okay, that means dy dx is 2x. Dy correct, should be equal.
Yeah, I equated them when I got x equals 2.
So that means right at these 2 points, these tangents, right, these two will have the same value. They have the same value. Okay, they have the same gradient. So what I'll do is I take 2x equate to negative 2x plus 8. I get 4x equals to 8. I get x equals to 2.
I know that.
Subbing in here, when x equals to 2, y is equals to 4.
Yes, I also got that.
But then you just do it again for the other side.
You do that again to the other side. What do you mean? You mean do to here also? Then you will also get 2, 4. What's the same point? It's the same point, Okay. So then you get 2 and 4. That means it's at this point, 2, 4, right? They have the same tangent. They actually have the same tangent. Okay, they actually have the same. The tangent to this curve is also the tangent to this curve. Right? So you just find the equation of this line, can already. Okay? Now what?
I didn't get what the answer shows.
This one,
I got, okay, wait. I'll show you what it means. I got minus 8 plus 4 minus 8.
Your gradient is 4, okay. Did I write wrongly? You check.
Yeah, there's only one equation which I also don't know.
Why does it say equations?
Equations also I also don't know. The one thing is I know y equals to 4 minus 4. How can
1 second, let me think. Because you use this T2tx minus t squared. Oh, okay, so you found the there are tangents to both the line x squared. I haven't yet. Yeah, don't do it.
Yeah. Third one, how do I find do I need to combine the equation or I need to find tangents first?
Yes. Wait, 1 second. Give me a second.
Are you doing it now?
Yes, I'm doing now. Negative 8x. You're doing 3 also, huh?
3, 2 lah.
Negative x squared plus ax minus 16.
Terribly slow.
Okay.
Cheating.
So there's one tangent which is y equals to 0. There's another tangent. So y equals to 8x plus 16. Minus 16. Minus 16. The second line is y equals to 0. Yeah, there are two.
I mean the y equals to 0 is obvious lah. You just
Yeah, because it's a turning point.
because it's y equals to x squared is obviously on the
Correct,
line,
correct.
Then the second one you just need to find.
So how do I ensure that I have? Okay, let's see. If I use the equation of the tangent, I equate to this, right?
Yeah.
And this and this are the same.
Yeah.
Then I find discriminant. Yeah, that's one way lah. Okay, another way is I look at two x plus 8. But then I'll get x equals to 2 only. I cannot equate the tangent differently.
Explosive diarrhea.
Don't know what happened. Explosive diarrhea. Let me think about it. But Papa, I can show the solution. Basically, it's just using discriminant.